What's up, crypto geeks? Back with another video. Today it's a huge video and it's about the price of XRP after the lawsuit, which we're expecting to end with a settlement hopefully in the next couple of days, as many analysts predict. So we're looking probably by May 31st that this lawsuit will be history, will be over with for XRP, and we will finally have our clarity. Well, what's the price going to be then? And is it worth investing in XRP right now? And what are my gains? Those are going to be some of the questions I'm going to look at. And guys, I have really good analysis for you today. And it's not just based on my personal opinion. We have some numbers and we have some statistics to talk about. But before I start, please make sure you click that like button. It means everything to me. Make sure you click subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. It helps me create more videos for you. I've been trying to do more than one a day just to keep you guys in the loop all the time. Let's get right into it. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you any financial advice. Take my, everything I say here with a grain of salt. Make sure you always do your own research. But let me give you these numbers. So when I'm deciding and when I looked at to analyze this and tell you what the price of XRP is expected to be after the lawsuit and a little bit further on, I looked at the price of Ethereum actually at their all-time high, or their previous all-time highs in 2018, when almost everything reached all-time high. The price of Ethereum at the time was 111.67 billion. Right, so that's about 112 billion, but we'll go off the lower end and we'll say 111 billion. Many people don't know this, but XRP at the time was actually number 2. It was not Ethereum. People think that because Ethereum is highest, second highest right now, it's always been that case. Actually, it was XRP. And XRP was 130 billion at the time. Almost 20 billion difference between XRP and Ethereum. So XRP had completely outranked Ethereum, and obviously Bitcoin was way higher. Now, this is important because this is what we're going to be basing our analysis of. They reached all-time highs in 2018, and we're expecting them to cross all-time highs again this year in this cycle. And whenever you look at analysts, a lot of analysts will compare everything that's happening now in 2018, and that's fair because there's a lot of repetition in terms of what's happening in this cycle. The numbers are different. They're a lot higher this time, but it's still the same style of wave and same style of growth. So let's take a look. Now, when I did this analysis, I took a look at the price of Ethereum now versus the price of Ethereum at their all-time high in 2018. So let's look at what Ethereum's all-time high was this year. Let's take a look. Ethereum's all-time high this year was, we'll say, 500 billion. Okay, 496 billion. Now, that is compared to, in their 2017, about 5 times the number that Ethereum was at. Right? So it's completely different, 5 times. So 5 times XRP. Let's look at XRP at the time, 130 billion. Right? No lawsuit, XRP doing okay, everything's good, was 130. 5 times 130 is what, guys? Let's take a look at the numbers. This is not me talking, this is the numbers talking. 5 times 130, guys, is a market cap of $650 billion. Okay, great number. Looks amazing, right? On a global scale, on a big scale in terms of market cap. What's the price of every single individual XRP? Again, what was the price of XRP at the time when the market cap was 130 billion? We have the answer, guys. It's right there. It was $3. More specifically, I'm going to slide down in this. This is an article from 2018, January 3rd, 2018, when XRP hit its all-time high. And XRP's price was $3.20. $3.20 times, we said the difference, right? Let's take a look what that difference is. So what we'll have to do is multiply that price, $3.20, by the growth that almost every single cryptocurrency out there had this year. Almost every single cryptocurrency hit all-time highs. So we're not saying it's going to hit all-time highs. We're just going to say it's matched. It's going to match its all-time high back in 2018 with the market being what it is now. So let's take a look at that. Multiply that by 5, guys. And this is XRP at $16 without it crossing necessarily its all-time high in terms of difference in there. So it's not doing any better than any other cryptocurrency. It's just doing exactly like every other cryptocurrency, like Ethereum, and holding back its spot in second place in market cap. Now, guys, remember this. Ripple was second place, and Ripple's gained a lot more traffic internationally than it had in 2018. You tell me, what do you mean by that? I'll tell you, because of the lawsuit against Ripple in the United States, Ripple has focused their efforts on growing their international market, which a lot of cryptocurrencies have neglected because they have the capital, the economic capital of the world, the US. But Ripple hasn't, and they've grown without that. So they've grown their international base significantly. Now they get the US. So you can expect Ripple to grow much more than that. Now I expect a couple of weeks after the lawsuit, you're going to see this number easily get passed. I'm thinking between probably this number and 25 after a couple of weeks after the lawsuit. Why do I say a couple of weeks? Why not as soon as the lawsuit is over? And that is because exchanges have to list it. Remember, with the lawsuit being over, yes, the price is going to go up. But why is the price going to go up when all the crypto exchanges have still not listed XRP? It's going to go up because international exchanges are going to be buying a ton, knowing that the price is going to go up. Right? So it's going to grow again because of international. Once it hits it in the US, you're going to see that number jump again, but this time because of the United States holders. So you're going to see the number jump, and then over the next couple of weeks, exchanges are going to list it, and then you're going to see it jump again and again and again. Once that's done, and it has the jump, it's going to reach the $16 to $25 mark. But are we done there with XRP? Obviously not. XRP, or Ripple, is planning to go public. That announcement on its own is going to grow the value of XRP. Guys, I can't give you a number on that, but what I can tell you is it's going to be very big. Now, very big could be 30%. So if we talk about 30% of $16 times 0.3, that's an extra $4.80. And we're being conservative. So 60 plus 16, you're looking at conservatively $21. Is that it for XRP? Maybe. Or more banks start to join on board and XRP becomes much more difficult to gain access to. Guys, remember, the circulating market cap of XRP, I think, is about 45 billion right now. The moment banks start to use it, it's going to be hard to get a hold of it, which means that in order for you to hold it, you have to pay more for it. And also remember, when XRP reaches these numbers, 20 and 30, its growth is not going to be in the pennies now. We get excited right now when we see XRP go up 5 cents. But that's not what will happen when it's at $20 or $30. It's going to be growth in terms of $1, $2, $3. Now, there's something I'm going to say, and maybe people will like it and people will not. When they talk about globally all of the banks using XRP, it'll reach 10 or 30,000. I think that's a bit unrealistic in the time being. I think over time, if XRP proves themselves that they have excellent exchange powers, they are economically and environmentally friendly, they have legislation, and every government is behind them, maybe someday, 5-10 years down the line. But realistically speaking, I think we can end the year between $30 and $50 for XRP, per XRP. I think that's not really optimistic. It's actually being relatively conservative. The only thing that stands in its way is the settlement, which, again, I'm not the one that's saying it's going to expect to end by May 31st, although I extremely agree with it. But you can take a look. Many analysts are expecting it, including Jeremy Hogan. one of the major lawyers that's been continuously analyzing the lawsuit. And you can see the price of XRP. I mean, it's jumping. Yeah, it's 99 right now, but it's been jumping between $1.11 and $1.30, and then dropping back down to 99, and then $1.05, and then jumping to $1.30. A lot of activity, guys, and the volume 3.6 billion. That's insane, guys. Again, I showed this in my last video. The buying pressure for XRP is not a joke right now. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this mountain. Even a mountain of buying at 90, and it's just we're gonna grow, and no one can really stop it at this point. I think we're expecting, like I said in my last video, we're gonna cross $1 this week. We're probably gonna be fighting at $1.05, $1.10 next week, easily above $1.20. And then if the lawsuit ends, which we expected by May 31st. Then you're looking to see some crazy numbers. So thank you guys for watching the video. Again, make sure you click that like button, you subscribe. It means everything to me. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.